using my finger with these kind of creamy ones. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all good. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing, a swatch, a try on, and a review on the Kara Beauty Planetary Divine eyeshadow palette. With that being said, let's get started. So this eyeshadow palette is by Kara Beauty and it's called Planetary Divine and it looks like this. The packaging is very pretty. It looks like a colorful art, like if it were to be painted with a little bit of oil pastels. I like this a lot. I also like how they put like a little bit of a hollow to the Planetary Divine words and also to the Kara Beauty down at the bottom. This is the back. It's Planetary Divine. It does have Cosmos, Heavenly, Glamoura, Euphoric, Future, Chroma, Astral, Vessel, Space Diva, Galaxy, Starry, Divine, Elemental, Contact, Venus, Celestial, Gravity, Universal, Moony, Wonder, The Sun, Beyond, Distant, Ozone, Stardust, Sparks, Satellite, Big Dippin', Gazing, Signal, Planetary, Dark Matter. I like how these seem to have a little bit of like different eyeshadows mixed into them. It reminds me of the Star Wars ColourPop Cosmetics that it had a little bit of eyeshadows mixed. Of course, paraben free, not tested on animals. Let's go ahead and open this. So this has tape here on the side. I don't know if you guys can see that. This side it doesn't, but it doesn't slip out. So I'm gonna have to. Pretty. This is the back. Now let's open this up. Oh, this does have like a magnetic closure at the ends and I like that. And as you can see, it does have a protective film for the eyeshadows. It does not have a mirror, but it's okay. That's pretty. Ooh, the inside is very pretty. It reminds me like space / mermaids and unicorns. Okay, it states, quote, "Faster than the speed of light, a glamorous journey through space and time. Within the Atmos, there is a planetary divine. Planetary divine," end quote. These are pretty. Wow. Sorry guys, I'm getting over here distracted. So protective film off. Look at these colors, you guys. You can tell that the Kara Beauty department did put a lot of thought into the packaging. The packaging is gorgeous and I like how it has the magnetic closures. I would have liked a mirror here, but this is very pretty and I like how it has that little quote there. The colors so far look very pretty, very glittery. Well, some of them are very glittery, some more than the others, and then the other ones are kind of like more basic, more matte. And I like that it has a little bit of everything, kind of like day look. You can go a little bit more dramatic, more neutral. And I also like how in the packaging it has like a hollow ring, like the outside of the packaging, like right here, like the colors of Planetary Divine and Kara Beauty. It's done with the circles in here too. Look at that. Let's go ahead and swatch them. The only three that I do see that have fallout are Heavenly, Euphoric, and Planetary. But again, it's normal with any eyeshadow. I'm just letting you guys know that those have a lot more fallout. The colors swatch so beautiful, so soft, and they look exactly like they do in the palette. And some of them look more better when swatched. Just saying, just letting you guys know. Cosmos. I don't know if you guys can see that. I'm using it as highlighter. Stardust is brown and it has a little bit of glitter shimmer in there. These are gliding right on, you guys. Venus. Okay guys, this is what I came up with. What do you guys think? You get a sense of a little bit from the palette, from glittery, shimmery to kind of muted ones to kind of more intense ones. And this is what I came up with. First, I have to say that this packaging is very pretty. I like how it's made. I like how Cara Beauty did this palette. I like that it has the magnetic closure. I also like the eyeshadows and how they did the rest of the packaging inside. I like this a lot right here too. Of course, I would have liked a mirror, but that's just personally me. Again, this is my opinion, not sponsored. I'm letting you know just before, in case you guys have the means, the money, your time to go and purchase it. For the size of it, I really would have liked a mirror because it would have made it easier instead of having another mirror or see yourself in another mirror. It's like more compact, more, how can I explain it? It's just there. You open it, you take it with you. You don't have to worry about bringing a mirror or trying to find a mirror. But again, that's my opinion. But the packaging is very beautiful. The colors that they used here with the little like hollow shimmer, very beautiful. The colors in here swatched very beautiful, very soft, very creamy. These four right here swatched very pretty, and I like how they applied very pretty on the eye, very soft, very buttery. I like that I was able to build them up, and I also like the fact that if I used my fingers, it looked more of the shimmer on my eyelids than it did with the brushes. Another thing that I have to say is that the dark matter one, it's like a green, black, blue. This one looks black with a little bit of silver, but in person it looks a little bit of black mixed with a little bit of green and blue and silver in there. But of course it came out a little bit more darker than that. Out of 5, I give this palette a 5. So I didn't want to put eyelashes because I didn't want it to cover that much of a shimmer. I really like the little shimmer. It looks a little bit hollow, especially if I do this. But that's on me. You guys can pair them up with eyelashes, eyeliner, no eyeliner. It's on you. But I really do like this palette, so I do have to recommend it. Again, it's on you if you guys have the means and your time to go purchase it. You can also find it online. Online, it retails for $22.99, not including taxes, at the Cara Beauty website. Again, not sponsored, just my opinion and letting you know where you guys can find it. So guys, with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. If you guys liked it, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. It helps me bring you guys more videos like these. And if you have, thank you so much. I hope you guys have a good evening, morning, night, wherever you're at. Until next time. Bye guys.